Achieving habit transformation in 3 weeks. Proven methods revealed habit transformation is a crucial aspect of personal development, yet it often proves elusive for many individuals. Identifying the habit. Understanding the specific behavior you wish to change is essential. Johnson Goldstein, 2005 provide a framework for habit identification. Habits consist of a cue, routine, and reward. By recognizing these components, you can effectively target your habit for transformation. Identifying the precise habits that need modification enables you to focus on strategies tailored to those behaviors. Setting clear goals. Clear goals are essential for successful habit transformation. Locke Latham, 2002 suggest that specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals significantly increase the likelihood of goal achievement. Setting SMART goals helps you maintain motivation and focus during the habit transformation process. Establishing a cue routine reward system. The cue routine reward system is an effective method for habit formation. Duhigg, 2012. By identifying a cue that triggers your current routine and replacing it with a new one that offers a reward, you can gradually replace old habits with new ones. Creating a cue routine reward system enables you to target specific behaviors and replace them with healthier alternatives. Implementing the 21-90 rule. The 21-90 rule, also known as the habit streak, suggests that it takes 21 days to form a new habit if you practice it daily for 21 consecutive days, and 90 days to make it a permanent part of your life. O'Brien, 2013. Adopting the 21-90 rule can help you stay focused and motivated during the initial stages of habit transformation. Making it easy. Making small, incremental changes to your habits increases the likelihood of success. Fogg, 2009. Instead of attempting drastic changes, focus on making the new behavior as easy as possible. Simplifying habit transformation makes it more achievable and less overwhelming for individuals. Anticipating and overcoming obstacles. Anticipating obstacles and having a plan to overcome them is crucial for successful habit transformation. Gallwitzer, 2012. Identify potential roadblocks and develop strategies to address them before they derail your progress. Anticipating and overcoming obstacles helps you maintain momentum during the habit transformation process. Seeking support. Seeking social support can greatly increase the chances of successful habit transformation. Bandura, 1986. Find a friend or accountability partner to help keep you motivated and on track. Seeking support from others helps maintain motivation during the challenging stages of habit transformation. Celebrating successes. Celebrating small successes along the way can reinforce positive behavior and boost motivation. Latham Locke, 2007. Reward yourself for each milestone achieved during the habit transformation process. Celebrating successes helps maintain momentum and motivation throughout the habit transformation journey.